Hi guys, this is Shiva here. Today I'm gonna teach you how to jailbreak PS3 on firmware 4.88. So that is PS3 4.88 HEN jailbreak. So let's make this steps very simple and easy. If you have any PS3, PS3 Fat, PS3 Slim or PS3 Super Slim, you can use this method. All you need is 4.88 HFW, multiman, internet connection, pen drive. So I have already downloaded it on my PC. So here you can see that is HFW 4.88 hybrid firmware and multiman. Now step 1. You need to extract the downloaded 4.88 HFW. So right click on the icon, extract here. Once you extract, you will get a folder called PS3, double click. Inside there is a folder called update, double click. Here inside there is a file called ps3 update.pop. So all you need to do is you need to copy both these files to the pen drive. Go to my computer and insert your pen drive. So this is my pen drive which I have already inserted. Right click on the pen drive and you need to format on FAT32 format. Insert your pen drive and format to FAT32. Here go to the file system and make sure you have selected FAT32 format because the PlayStation 3 do not read NTFS and exFAT format. You have to select FAT32 and make sure before giving start select quick format and just format it. Once the format is complete, close it, minimize, copy both the file to the pen drive. Copy both the file to the pen drive. Once both the files are copied, you can eject the pen drive and then you can connect it to the PS3. So now both the files are copied. Now close it. Go to my computer and right click on the icon and eject. Once you eject it, then you go to the PS3 and insert it on PS3. Step 2. Now connect your pen drive to PS3 and make sure your pen drive is detected. See, my pen drive is already detected. Now you can see the USB device. Now go to settings, system settings, and come down system information. My system software version is on 4.88. If your firmware is lower than 4.88, that is 4.87 or a 4.86, so you can update hybrid firmware, that is 4.88 hybrid firmware directly by go to settings, system update and update via storage media. My official firmware is on 4.88 now, as you can see. If your firmware is on 4.88, you cannot update directly. So you have to update via safe mode. So now I will teach you how to update via safe mode. Now you need to turn off your PS3. So come back, turn off your PS3. Once you turn off your PS3, now you need to turn it on to safe mode. So press the power button and hold it back until it turns again into red. See, now it's turned into red. Now again press the power button and wait until you get it twice beep. Single beep, again single beep, twice beep. Just remove your finger. See, now your PS3 is on safe mode. Now connect your controller. Connect your controller using a USB cable and press the PS button. Now I have connected my USB cable and I'm pressing the PS button. Now you need to go to system update and press enter. Now you need to press select and start at a time. See, now your PS3 is preparing to update, that is preparing your hybrid firmware to update. Now press the PS button. You can see the PS3 software version 4.88 HFW hybrid firmware. Now the PS3 is ready to accept your hybrid firmware. Press the PS button. Press right button, come down, accept and enter. Now press the PS button. Yes. Again, yes. Now your PS3 is updated to 4.88 HFW, that is 4.88 hybrid firmware. Now we need to connect your PS3 to internet. Now go to settings, come down, network settings, internet connection settings. Click on easy. In my home, I have a Wi-Fi. I'm connecting to my Wi-Fi internet. If you don't have the Wi-Fi, nothing to worry. You can turn on your mobile hotspot into Wi-Fi and you can just use it. Now my PS3 is connected to internet. Now let's do step 3. Step 3. This is an important step to get 101% success rate for PS3 HEN jailbreak. So all you need to do is create a new user. You can go to leave the existing user. Now go to create a new user and here there is a user 2. This can be user 3, user 4, user 5, anything. And even you can give the name also for the new user. Now I will leave it as it is. Okay. Once you create a new user, log into user 2. Once you log in, now go to settings, system settings, turn off display. Once you turn off display, then again you need to go to network, internet browser, press triangle, go to tools, confirm browser close, you need to turn off this. Again, once again, you need to go to internet, network, internet browser, press triangle, go to tools, home page, use blank page and give OK. Come back. Again, go to network, internet browser, press triangle, search, type PS3 exploit.com. And press start button. Once you press the start button, you can see here there is a PS3 exploit option. Just click enter. Once if you're on the page, go up, then here there is a PS3 HEN, come down, there is an PS3 installer. You can see here, go to PS3 HEN, PS3 installer or enabler. All you need to do is you need to add this page for the bookmark. Press select button, add bookmark, then close it. Once you add bookmark, next you need to go to the PlayStation Network, sign up, just press enter. Here you no need to do anything, just wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute and just go back. As you can see, I have mentioned here, go to PlayStation Network, sign up, wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Once you have waited, just close the browser. Again, go back to sign up. Just again cancel it. Again, go back to sign up. Just do couple of times, some 3 to 4 times. Once you done with this, again you can do the same procedure. You can go to internet browser, network, internet browser. Then you need to press select. You already bookmark. Just select the bookmark page. Press enter. Overwrite and save. Press circle. Now initialize HEN installer. HEN installer initialized successfully. Now press down button. Install HEN. Latest PS3 HEN available. Downloading latest PS3 HEN as you can see here. Now it is downloading. Just wait until download. Once the download is completed, automatically it will get installed by itself. Press circle. Once the process is done, now you need to restart your PS3. Press circle, come up, turn off the PS3. You can see here it is getting turned off. Again, turn it on. You can see now your PS3 is on HEN jailbreak. Go to user 2. You can see here enable HEN and package manager. Just you need to enable HEN first, then you need to install. Welcome to PS3 HEN 3.0.3. Now go to package manager, install. Now go to standards, then install multiMAN. Now your PS3 is ready with PS3 HEN jailbreak. Now using multiMAN, you can just copy the games inside and you can